How cool was that, eh? But how, why, and what is this all about? Well, don't ask me why, but Ray Jess really wanted me to make a video about this. So, here it is, bro. But these edits look sick, right? So you also want to be able to create these edits? Well, you are in luck because, hey there. And how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own troll face edits. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. First of all, we need to know what video we want to use to create a troll face edit with. It can be anything. But let's, for the purpose of this tutorial, search for the bicycle kick goal from Cristiano Ronaldo on YouTube. Okay, this one is in 4K, so that is nice. Let's download this video. I'm using the 4K video downloader to download it, but you can obviously use any other free to use YouTube downloader out there. Now drop that video into CapCut. Now I am going to edit the video in a way that we can only see the cool parts. We want multiple angles of the bicycle kick, and at the end we want to see Ronaldo being happy. And yes, we can extract and delete the audio, we do not need that. Okay, let's cut out the boring parts and keep the good parts. Let's also adjust the speed of the clip if needed. Now click on ratio and make sure to select 9:16 to make the video vertical. Now you need to enlarge each clip and make sure that the viewer can follow the ball and what is happening in the video. You need to drag it even to the left or right if necessary. Now we are going to search on Google for troll face. Here, this website is great. I will download the iconic troll face there. Now add it to CapCut and I will place it on Ronaldo's face. Now click on Tracking and place the box and the troll face on Ronaldo's face. You can experiment with this, but finally I choose the forward for the direction mode. Now select both clips, do a right click and create a compound clip. Now go to Effects and search for a nice nightclub effect. The Pulse 2 effect is amazing. Now go to Filters and add some cool filters. I added the Cybershot too. And for the troll face part, you can add another filter, for example, the ghost filter. And just before the ghost filter, you can add a negative filter. Just experiment with it and have a lot of fun. I will also add the GTA3 filter. Now for the background music, I suggest to use any music you like or that typical troll face music. But since I do not want to get copyrighted, I will use a song from the YouTube audio library. And I can really recommend the Trap Beethoven song from Josh Pan. It's dark and great. Add it to CapCut. I will make a cut here. Now go to Voice Changer and add a bass booster or a distortion effect. Lastly, I will also add a short negative filter here. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own troll face edits, have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.